Hi. In this video, we will know together, what are the cable glands? Why do we need them? How to install them? Cable glands are defined as mechanical cable entry devices, which are used in conjunction with cable and wiring for electrical instrumentation, control, and automation systems. This is including lighting, power, data, and telecoms. The main functions of the cable glands are to act as a sealing and terminating device to ensure the protection of electrical equipment and enclosures, including the provision of environmental protection, earth continuity, holding force, additional sealing, additional environmental sealing. Construction of cable glands. Cable glands be constructed from metallic or non-metallic materials, or a combination of both, which may also be resistant to corrosion, as determined by selection to a standard, or by corrosion resistance tests. How to choose the proper size of cable gland. The following steps, together with the information throughout the cable gland catalog, will ensure that the cable gland size and specification selected will be fit for purpose and perform optimally. Identify the type of cable to be used. You can get this information from your approved single-line diagram drawing, or the approved panel schedule drawing, or both of them. Check the construction, size, and material properties of the cable. From the cable's catalog, check the size of the overall cable diameter. Photo, we can see that we have multiple letters A, B, C, D, where B is the overall diameter of the cable, while A and D will be used when the cable is armored. Please be noted that the complete explanation of this topic will be explained in details in our electrical online course. If you would like to learn more, check the link in the description to enroll in our free MEP online course.